Good morning, class 5. So today is the continuation of Roman numerals. Last time I had taught you Roman numerals, isn't it? So in Roman numerals, what I had taught you about these symbols, okay? These, what Romans used to do, they did not use our numbers, Hindu Arabic numbers, they did not use it. They had their own numerals, and these are actually symbols, and they have used English alphabets, okay, to write their numbers. And I had told you about, last time I had told you about rules also. If the number is repeated 3 times, 2 times, the number you have to add. Same number you have to add according to how many it has been written, okay, like 3. This I has been repeated 3 times, so you will add 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it will be 3, okay. And second point was, if you have to, in second point, if you wrote the smaller number in left hand side, this side, you had to subtract. Like here, 4. If you have to write 4, you'll write like this, isn't it? This I in left hand side of bigger number. And if it is written in left hand side, you have to subtract. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So this is 4, okay. But just opposite of that, if you wrote this I in right hand side, this side, then it will be addition. 5 plus 1 will be 6. And 5 plus 2 will be 7. 5 plus 3 will be 8. Like that. So if you have to write 4, 9, these type of number, you should know the next number. For 4, you should know how to write 5. Then if you put 1 this side, 5 minus 1 will be 4. Just like that here also, to write 9, you should know how to write 10x, okay. And if you wrote I in left hand side, what it will be? It will be 10 minus 1, 9. But if you wrote 1 this side in right hand side, it's not written, but last time I had told you, if you wrote I this side, then 10 plus 1 it will be 11, 10 plus 2 it will be 12, 10 plus 3 it will be 13. But to write 14, what you have to do? 10 plus 4. So 10 is x, 4 is this one, I, V. So 10 plus this one will be 14, then 15. It will go on and on. You have learnt in class 4 also, 1 to 50. Okay. Now, the larger number which starts from class 5. Okay. After this 50, we move on to 1000. Till 1000 we'll move to. Okay. So let's start. And there are methods. Here you can see it. I have written here 10, 20, 30. You know 10, 1x means 10, 2x means 20, 10 plus 10, 20, 30 means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay, 40. You should know 50 first. Then 10 you have to subtract. If you wrote in left hand side, 50 minus 10 will be 40, okay, then 50, then 10 you wrote right hand side of this number, then it will be 60, then again another x, 70, 80, it will go on like that, 50 plus 20, 50 plus 30, okay. Now to write 90, what do you need? Next one is 100, and 100 I have told you, it is C. And C can be repeated 3 times, like 10 and 1. This I can be repeated 3 times, and not V. V cannot be repeated 3 times or 2 times. 10 can be repeated 2 times or 3 times. Now, which number? C. C can be repeated 2 times or 3 times, not more than that. Okay. Now, C can be repeated. Where was I? Here. C is 100. But to write 90, what you have to subtract? Because if you wrote this side, you have to subtract. So 100 minus what will be 90? Of course 10, isn't it? 100 minus 10 will be 90. So it will be 10C. XC will be 90. Okay, then 100. Then 100C, if you wrote C 2 times, it will be 200. 3 times if you wrote, it will be 300. So that means C can also be repeated 2 or 3 times. Okay. Then to write 400, you should know 500. Isn't it? 500 is D. So if you wrote C in left hand side, it will be subtraction. So 500 minus 100 will be 400. So CD means not that CD you always know, you know about that CD, but CD means 400 in Roman numerals. Otherwise you have learned in computer, compact disc, isn't it? CD means, but it's not compact disc, but it is 400 in Roman numerals. Okay. Then comes D means 500. It's written here only. Then DC means 500 plus 100, because C is written in right hand side. So 500 plus 100 will be 600. Then if you wrote 2 times C, 500 plus 200 will be 700. Then 500 plus 3 times will be 800. Then comes after 800, 900. To know 900, to write 900, you should know 1000. 1000 is M. So M, and before that if you put C, 1000 minus 100 will be 900. Okay. So CM. Last time I told you it's not chief minister, it is 900 for Roman numerals. Then M is 1000. Of course, if you have to write 2000, it will be M plus M, like that. I have written here, you can see it. Convert Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic. Now, how to convert, change Roman numerals into our numbers which we daily use. Okay. Now, there is a method. You can, oh, one more thing last time also I forgot to tell you, is Romans, they don't have 0 in their number system. Okay. They always start from 1. 0, we use 0 in our system, Hindu Arabics, isn't it? But in Roman numerals, they don't have 0. And place value also they don't have. Like place value we have 100 is, this 1 is in hundreds place, and place value is also 100. 2 is in tens place, so 2 tens means 20. These are place values we have, okay, we have in our system. But Romans, they don't have place values. So 2 things remember, their system don't have 0, their system they don't have place values. So here we have in conversion of Roman numerals into Hindu Arabics. So there is a method. You can expand the given question. This number you can expand. You can write in the place value of those numbers. Okay, like 1 is, place value of 1 is 100. Okay, 2 is 20. 7 is 7 only, 7 ones. Then you can start converting. Okay, like 100, how do you write? 100 is C. Okay, so C. 20, how do you write? 10 2 times. Okay, so that will be 20, and 7 you know how to write. It's written here also. V and I, 7. So if you saw C 10 10, C X X, V I, it means what? 127. Okay, and next example I have given 386. 386. I'll show you with this. Yeah, 386. 3 is in hundreds place, so it will be 300. Expanded form, you know how to expand. 3 is 300, 8 is 80, 6 ones. Okay, then 300 means what? C. 100 means C. Then C, if you wrote 3 times, C, it will be 300. And 80, how do you write 80? First comes 50, L is 50. 50 plus 30 will be 80. So 50 and 10, 10, 10, 3 times. It became 80. Then 6 you know how to write. Okay, so 386. Then this one, 2944. 2000. I have told you M means 1000. So if you wrote M 2 times, it will be 2000. Okay. Then 900. To know 900, what you should know? 1000. Here first you break it up like this, not break it up, expanded form. You write in expanded form 2000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 4. Then 2000 means mm. Then 900 means, first you should know m means 1000. And if you subtract, C, for subtraction C you will write first. So 1000 minus 100 will be 900. Then comes XL means 40, same. L means 50. 10 if you wrote in left hand side, subtraction. So 50 minus 10 will be 40. So XL means 40. Then you know how to write 4. So 2944. How do you write in Roman numerals? MM, CM, XL, IV. Okay, like this. Please follow this method. Expanded form. Write the question in expanded form. Then convert it individually. Okay. Like 2, how do you write? Okay, 2's place value, 9's place value, 4's place value, and 4's place value. Okay. Now, these are conversion of Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic. Okay, what does Roman numeral these means? If you saw Roman numerals anywhere, like in clock also you see, you will be able to write as Hindu-Arabics, which we all know in India, isn't it? Now, number 2 is our numerals, our system, okay, our number system, Hindu-Arabics, we are going to convert into Roman numerals, okay. Now, this one is easy, you just have to break it up. If L, X, X, V, I, it's written, now how to know, what is this number? How will you convert? Okay, how will you know what is this? To know it, you break up the numbers, symbols, okay. First L means 50, X means 10, 10 2 times, so 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then V means 5, then I 3 times means plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now you add all these number. It will be 50 plus 10, 60, 70, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 78. So easy, na? So these are the methods to convert to Roman numerals and back to Hindu-Arabics. Okay, I hope you have understood this system and I'll be sending you homeworks. Okay, please do it. And one more thing, maybe last time I had told you, when you write names, please, you are writing in copy, then taking photos. Now that in that copy, page of each copy only, you write your name and class. Okay, then it will be easier for me to check. Understood, no? So please do that, and whatever homeworks are checked by me, is already checked. Please at home use pencil to tick it. That means I have checked it already. You'll also won't have problem afterwards, that whenever there is exam or test, you want to see what you have done. Okay, homeworks, classwork, anything, you want to see it, then you are sure that I have checked it already. No, you don't have to worry. Okay, so tick it with pencil also if I have checked it already, because in mobile it will be deleted. After some time it will be deleted. So you start ticking in your own mathematics copy. Okay, thank you.